What is up, you guys? Jose here from Inch Racing. We're back here again for another install. As you can see, I have my hood open. So today we're going to be installing something on the side. What would that be, you might ask? Well, let me go show you. Alright, so to get started, today we're going to be installing Boomba Racing short throw shifter adapter for my SI. And once again, we're going to be going back down there where the shifter pushes are, so we can install this short throw shifter adapter to reduce throws by 30%. So today we're going to be installing that so we can check it out, and I'm going to show you guys the process. Let's get to it. Alright, so here's the plan. I'm going to be loosening the clamp here and the clamp back there, the elbow pretty much. So I can, instead of removing the battery, I'm going to just take that off so I have better clearance for installing this part. And then after that, if I have to take off the battery, I will take off the battery, but that's the plan right now, is just take off this little elbow piece from my intercooler battery. So further ado, let's get to it and see how it turns out. Alright, just a little update. We got the little elbow piece out. As you can see, we can see the shifter push right there. But I think I'm gonna have a problem because we're gonna have to take off the little plate back there. Let's see, right there. We're gonna have to take it off, but I think the battery's gonna be a problem. So just to be safe and avoid any problems in this install, I'm just gonna take off the battery and so gain more room for installing this piece. So I'm just gonna get to that and then I'll give you guys an update once I'm ready. So okay, we removed the battery and now we're just going to get started with the shifter. So the first thing you probably want to do is remove the little shifter clip right here. She's a little flathead. Get behind there and just pry up. Alright guys, I didn't record this, but first time taking this off, this was a hassle. If you guys remember my cutie, the bushing install, I didn't take this off. It was hard, but today I took it off. Thanks for the help to Patricia over here. She helped me take it off. But pretty much simple. You usually use a screwdriver in the back, pry one side and then pry the other, and then it slowly comes up. But the end result should be exactly like that. See, that's right there. You see all the scratching because I know how to take it off. And that's the other cable. After you're done taking that, you want to take off the little cover pin right here. To once you take it off, pull up the little cable, and then we'll get ready for the install. So let me just get all of that done, and then we should be ready for the install. Take out the cover pin, just pull a little back, and then simply comes off. But obviously save it, you don't want to lose that. And once you're done, just pull out the cable up. So after you're done, pull the little bushing off, and then pull back off the little area and put it to the side. Let me get the installation right. So throw shifter adapter, and then we'll get back to it. And this little kit comes two parts to the adapter. You're gonna need a 4mm Allen wrench that I got right here. So I'm gonna get to assembling this piece together and then going back there and bringing this whole thing out. So let's get to it. Alright, so at this little adapter plate, there's two spots, as you can see, front and back. So you want to make sure this is the front part, and then you're putting this on top. And for the screws, just put them a little bit, don't tighten them, because we're gonna have to slide it back into that little area. So just put them just a bit until they're a little bit on. So once you're done with this, we're gonna go back there and slide it back there. So we go, bloop, and then it's installed. Alright, so now that you have it all little assembled, go back here, right where the cable's missing, as you can see right there. So what you want to do is just slide it on top, like so, and then get the 4mm Allen and tighten it. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'll update you guys after I'm done.
What the? You got it?
It's already tightened up. You don't do it just yet, but the cable pretty much goes in here.
Cable goes back
in there, but we don't put it back in just yet. We still need to do the data put on this side. So for now, take it out. This piece, so you can see, it's already put together. So my thinking is I'm gonna loosen one side of it first. So just put it to the side and then slide it in, and then just screw one more screw in. So you know.
What is a baby bears? We're back.
So for this piece, I couldn't get it to just slide because as you see a little groove, it has to go on there. So pretty much it goes literally, it goes right on top. Using your provided hardware, slide it towards the bottom, and then screw one screw at a time. Just make sure it's all tightened up. Looks good. A little tight. Make sure everything's tight. And now for now, we're just gonna put the cable back, reinstall everything, and then we'll get back to you guys. Put the cable back in, just push it back like so. Make sure it's nice and through, and then put it right on top. Don't forget your nice little cover pin. Just put it in. It is nice and smooth. So don't forget, the most important part is the little silver clipper here that goes right on top of the shifter bushing. Don't forget it. And for that, probably gonna need a little hammer. So let me just go get that. Alright, so close it and just. Hey guys, so we have everything nice and tightened down. Cover pin in, shifter clip in. So everything looks good. So we're just gonna put the car back together and then take out for a test drive and let you guys see what I think about it and see if we actually reduce 30% throws. But let's get to it, baby. You ready?
Yes, let's go.
Alright, so we're just gonna put everything back together and we'll be back in a bit. Finally got the car put together. It's running. I don't think I have any check engine lights because we did everything correctly. So everything's running fine. So right now we're just gonna go for a test drive and see what's going on. Overall, it wasn't a hard install. Just gotta know what you're doing, which I don't, but we figured it out. Right, baby? We figured it out?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're just gonna go for a test drive. The car's on, so let's just get to it.
What is up, baby bears?
I'm waiting for you to move your car so we can get done with the test drive.
What car? The Fit or the Civic? Because they're both my cars.
You need to start modding this.
We have to look for things that fit with it.
Alright guys, so we're in the wind with my love right here. So I'm still gonna drive the car for you guys to see how I feel about the throw shifter adapter. But look here, first is literally right here. Yeah, it looks like the neutral. So that's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and reverse. Well, I can really see the difference without even driving it. But see, you gotta get used to the gears. I did, because I was like, what the heck is going on? So I just wanted to share that with you guys. You guys can see, still made. Wow, the first looks like a neutral. So right now we're gonna go on a test drive right now. Right, baby? We're gonna go test drive. So review this product for you guys and see if I would recommend this for you guys. So get to it.
We're taking off.
All right, so first, let's go. See if I don't. Okay. Feels more mechanical. It feels more in gear. Obviously the throws are shorter. As you can see, that's first, second, third, fourth. So I'm only going fourth because the speed limit's only 25 and I'm not trying to power just in case, you know, one of these racers want to catch an L. We're at a stop right now. So now I'm really enjoying this. The shifter feels amazing, feels better. Boomba was right. The throws are 30% less. I would recommend you guys to get it. Again, shout out to Boomba for providing this to me. I really enjoyed it. The install wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. If you don't know, this is the first time taking apart your area of your shifter, I would recommend seeking advice. But other than that, it's a pretty straightforward install for a great feel tranny right here. Right now, we're making our way to take a little test drive. Feels like a chip knob was weighted. The gears are straight through. I have no problem getting to gear. The throws, like I said, are shorter, so it's perfect. I would highly recommend this product if you want to get those little short throws. They do have another product to make your throws even shorter, but for now I'm staying with this one. Really getting used to shorter throws. I'm honestly scared I'm gonna go from fourth, I'm gonna go to second. So I'm taking it easy right now on the little trip down our little town. It's a thumbs up for me, and if you guys would like it, I will put their Instagram somewhere around the screen right here right now. And I will link the product on the description if you guys want to go ahead and buy yourself one. I highly recommend it and I love it. So see you guys back at the house. As you can see, we're finally back home. We went on the drive. The shifter felt nice and mechanical. It really went into gear. No more of that annoying click sound I used to hear. overall, I really like the outcome of this install. I'll shout out here to Boomba Racing. Thanks for the part. It's awesome, and I can't wait to install more Boomba Racing parts. Again, I want to say thank you. Most of all, thank you guys for watching this video of me installing this Boomba short throw shifter adapter plate. It's definitely worth it. I saw a difference that way. Shorter, and it was a great part. So thanks again guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and like we always say here, always keep improving.